First of all, thanks for being here in my YouTube channel. So this special data interpretation video are specially made for the students, those who are going for a CAT level exam, as well as students those who are going for a bank mains exam. So in those exams you can able to see a very difficult data interpretation. So in order to crack that, I will be posting these kinds of difficult data interpretation videos. So do not forget to watch all my videos, but remember one important thing: before watching this video you have to know this: the same data interpretation question what I am going to teach now is available as a test. So first visit my website or my mobile application. There in a quantitative aptitude session you can able to see at the last data interpretation bracket mains. So inside that, the same question what I am going to teach in this set available as a test. First write the test and check what is your score, whether you are getting 5 out of 5 or you can't able to understand the DA itself. So first write the test. After writing the test, come and watch this video for solution. Without writing a test, if you watch this video completely, 100% the video will be useless, no use. So first write the test and analyze what is the mistake that you have done, where you have done the mistake, and then watch this video, right? Definitely it will be helpful for the students, those who are going for CAT exams and bank mains exam. So let me move on to all the difficult data interpretation question on these types of videos. So friends, now let me move on to the next data interpretation for the mains level exam. So do not forget to watch all the previous data interpretation. So nearly we have posted 20 plus DA, that is only for the mains level exam. So now let me move on to the next DA. So I hope we have taken the test. So most of the students might feel difficult to solve it. Why? Because if you know the profit and loss basics, then this question is easy. Without knowing the profit and loss basic concepts, then solving this question is not at all possible. So let me move on to this DA and check what are all the important things that we need to know to solve this DA. Okay. So they have given one pie chart. So below that they have given one table chart. So first in the pie chart, what they are telling us, the below pie chart shows that the detail of cost of 5 different articles sold by the shopkeeper. So where article A, which is 5x percentage, article B is 54 degree, article C is x square percentages. So some values in the pie chart are given in terms of percentages, and some value, only one value they have given in terms of degree, and one value they have given in terms of x square percentage. Very interesting. But remember one thing, totally how many articles are there? Totally 5 articles. So the total cost price of the chart is not given, yes or no? Because they have given total 5 articles are there, and all the 5 article cost price of total 5 article is not given. But we know if it is a pie chart, always the total will be equal to 100%. Okay. So next, let me talk about the next chart. What they have given is the table chart. So in the table chart, sum of profit amount and the discount amount. So profit amount, the person, right, if he sells the article for some money, after selling it, he is getting the sum of profit amount and the discount amount of article A is 1000, article B is 1000, article C is 800. So they have given this value in the table chart. So below that they have given a note, the difference between the cost of article A and the cost of article D is 1000. Just they have given a clue here. The profit percentage is equals to discount percentage of an each article. See, 2 notes has been given. So first note, I think they have given a difference. So by using the difference value, I think we can easily find what is the total all the 5 article cost price. And second note, what they have given is the profit percentage is equals to discount percentage. See, profit percentage. So profit percentage is equals to discount percentage. So I think by using this clue, I think we can easily find what is the selling price of the article. Why? Because what is the profit percentage formula? In the profit and loss we have learnt. Profit percentage formula will be selling price minus cost price divided by cost price into 100. Right? So what is the discount percentage formula? Marked price minus of selling price divided by marked price into 100. So I think we know all the values except the selling price, because in the question they have given a cost price. We can easily find what is the cost price, and marked price also easy, because marked price is equals to cost price plus the profit plus, I think by using the second table chart we can able to find the marked price. Okay, so let me talk about all these later on, but I think only by using this clue we can easily find what is the selling price. I will tell you later on how to find it. So first what we can do is, we can find all the pie chart values initially. Just see what is the first article A, how much percentage, 5x percentage. So 5x percentage, right? Second value is 54 degree. So we can convert the 54 degree into percentages divided by 360 into 100. So now this has been converted in terms of percentage. Next will be x square percentage. So x square percentage. So and the next will be 30 percentage. So 30 percentage and 19 percentage and 19 percentage is equals to, I think totally they have given 5 article percentages. So the total cost price of all the 5 article is not given, but we know that if it is a pie chart, always when you add all the values which are inside the pie chart will be equal to 100 percentage. So friends, understood or not? Right? So these are the values what they have given in a pie chart. So here they have given 54 degree. We have converted that 54 degree as 54 divided by 360 into 100. So now we can simplify it, right? No other way. So 30 plus 19 will be 49 degree, and we can cancel 0, 0 here. Similarly, we can cancel this on 2 table. So when you cancel this on 2 table, 5 2s are 10. Cancel this on 2 table, 18 2s are 36. So this can be cancelled as 3 times 18 into 3 will be 54. So 5x percentage. So plus 5 into 3 is 15. So 15 percentage plus 30 percentage plus 19 percentage plus x square percentage is equals to 100 percentage, right? So now 13 plus 19. So 13 plus 19 will be 49. 59 plus 5 will be 64. So totally these 3 values will be 64 percentage. So x square percentage plus 5x percentage plus 64 percentage is equals to 100 percentage. I think we can further simplify it. So when you simplify 64 percentage minus of 100 percentage, what will be the value? Remaining will be 36 percentage. So this can be written as x square percentage plus 5x percentage minus of 36 percentage is equals to 0. So friends, understood or not? So finally we got a quadratic equation. We can cancel the percentages. Why? Because when you on all the 3 term we have percentage common, so take percentage outside, and when you divide it by 0 it goes on, right? So we can say that finally after solving the pie chart value, what we got is x square plus 5x minus 36 is equals to 0. So now we can simplify this quadratic equation. So this 36 can be written as 9 4s are 36. Yes, 9 and 4. 9 4s are 36, but here we have minus 36. And when we add both the number, resultant should be plus 5. So we can say that plus 9 and minus 4. So when you multiply both the number, resultant will be minus 36. When we add both the number, resultant will be plus 5. So we can say that the roots of the quadratic equation where x is equals to minus 9 and x is equals to plus 4. So finally we got both the values, roots of the quadratic equation. Always the negative value will be neglected, only the positive value, x is equals to 4. So finally we got the value of x, that means the article A, right? So article A, what they have given is 5x percentage, and we got x is equals to 4. So article A cost price is 20 percentage. So friends, understood. So similarly article B 54 degree. So we already found what is 54 degree. We don't want to convert into a percentage. So article C is x square percentage. So what about x here? 4. 4 square is what? 16 percentage. So cost price of article C is 16 percentage. So finally, now we found all the percentage value inside the pie chart, but we don't know what is the total cost price of all the 5 articles. But in the note, they have given one important clue. The difference between the cost price of A and D is how much? 1000. So A, what we got here is how much? 20%. So 20% is the cost price of article A. Difference of article D. Article D is how much? Article D is 30%. So 30% difference is equals to 1000. So difference we can say 10%. So 10% is equals to 1000. What about 100%? Is equals to x. So we can cancel 0. So we can say that x is equals to 10,000. That means all the 5 articles, right? The total cost price of all the 5 article is 10,000. So friends, by solving this chart value, we found what is the x value initially. After finding the x value, we found all the x values inside a pie chart, and we don't know what about the total cost price of all the 5 article. In order to find it, they have given a clue. So the cost price of A and D, difference. So difference of cost price of A and D is 1000. So difference between the cost price of A and D is 1000. 10% is 1000. What about 100%? So we found the total 5 article cost price will be 10,000. So what are all the values we found is 10,000 is the total cost price of all the 5 articles. So now we can easily find what is the cost price of the article A, because from the 10,000 the total value is 10,000. Now we found the pie chart total. So pie chart total is 10,000. So what about article A? So article A cost price is how much? 5x. That means x is equals to 4, 20%. So 20% of this will be 2000. So 2000 will be the cost price of article A. So friends, understood or not? So similarly, we can find for all the remaining A, B, C, D. For example, if we need to find what is the C percentage. So C is how much? X square percentage. So we know that what is x4. So 16% of 10,000, which is 1600. So 1600 will be the cost price of article C. So now we found the complete pie chart value. So for cost price of all the articles A, B, C, D. So now let me move on to the next values to find how to find remaining values. Right? Let me rub all these things. So friends, here I have written all the cost price what we found in the pie chart, right? So total 10,000 out of 10,000. So article A was 20%. So some values what they have given. So by using that value 54 degree, which is 15%. So 15% of 10,000 will be 1,500. So here I have written all the article cost price A, B, C, D, E. So now in the table chart, what they have given is, so the profit earned plus the discount amount total. So what is called as marked price, everyone knows it, right? So here according to the question, we can take any one value. I can take article C, right? So article C, I can solve this and show you completely one article and you can find the remaining, right? So article C, let me take any one article. I can take article C. So we know that article C, what is the cost price? So cost price according to the pie chart, we found it's 1600. Article C, selling price is given? No, selling price of an article C was not given. Similarly, any of the article selling price was not given. So we can consider the selling price of an article C is Y, because selling price was not given. What about the marked price? So everyone knows it, right? The marked price will be equal to the cost price plus the profit earned plus the discount amount. So we know that marked price is equal to cost price. Cost price is how much? 1600. So plus the profit earned and the discount amount. So these two values are directly given in the table chart, which is 800. So just see the chart, 800 will be equals to what that 800 shows. So that 800 will be the profit value and then a discount amount. So total will be 800. So when you add these two, so which will be 2400. So finally, we know what is the cost price according to the pie chart. By adding cost price and the table value, we got the marked price of an article, but selling price is unknown. we have to find what is the selling price here. How to find the selling price? Just now I have told you, initially they have given one clue in the question where the profit percentage is equals to discount percentage, right? So profit percentage is equals to discount percentage. So this is the note they have given below the chart, right? So now profit percentage is, what is the formula here? Selling price, which is y, minus of cost price 1600 divided by cost price into 100. So friends, understood or not? This will be the profit percentage formula. Similarly, discount percentage. Discount percentage formula will be marked price minus of selling price divided by marked price into 100. So friends, understood this or not, right? So how I wrote this? So profit percentage will be selling price minus cost price divided by cost price into 100 equal to discount percentage. So discount percentage will be marked price minus of selling price divided by marked price into 100. So now we can simplify it. We can find what is the value of y. So we can cancel 100 here. So similarly we can cancel 20 here. I think we can cancel it on 4 table. Yes. So 8 table, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24. We can multiply here. So 3y minus of 4800, right? We can multiply this 2 towards right hand side. So this becomes 4800 and then minus of 2y. So now 3y, here we have minus of 2y. When you bring this minus towards left hand side, it becomes plus. So resultant will be 5y is equals to, so this will be 9600. So we can cancel this. 1 5s are 5, remaining will be 445. 9 5s are 45, remaining will be 1920. So 1920 is what? The selling price. So now we found what is the selling price, 1920. So friends, understood this or not? So according to the pie chart, this is the value what we solved by using a pie chart, and this is the marked price how we found is pie chart plus table chart, right? And this is the value how we found is we simplified both the values, right? So profit percentage is equals to discount percentage. So once you simplify it, we have got the answer. What is the selling price? We know the cost price, we know the selling price, we know the marked price. Then we can easily find what is the profit, because cost price is how much? 1600. What is the selling price? 1920. Then what about the profit? We know the cost price, selling price, just subtract both the value. So resultant will be 320. So 320 will be the profit. So after selling an article, see, for this much of selling price 1920, so we can say that he got a profit of 320. Then what about the discount? Because we know profit plus discount is equals to 800, what they have given in the chart. So now we got 320, so we can say that 480 will be the discount amount. So discount amount is 480, 320 is the profit, selling price of article C is 1920 and cost price is 1600, marked price will be 2400. That's it. So this is the way you have to find for all the remaining articles. So once you find all the values, definitely it might take time, right? Because this is not the prelims exam, this is the mains level exam. In the mains level exam, it takes time, nearly 10 or 15 minutes to solve one DA itself. No way, we can't able to just like that solve these kind of DA. But if you solve it, surely you can able to crack the exam, because many students won't solve this DA because of a lack on the basics, right? They struggle to solve the question. But if you keep on practicing more DA like this, then you can surely crack the question what they are going to ask in your exam. So keep on practicing the data interpretation. That's what I think we have posted. It's 26th or 27th DA, I think so. So I've posted many mains level DA. Do not forget to watch the complete playlist as well as take the test. Right? Both you have to do. So friends, and I hope everyone can able to understand this, how we found it, right? So initially we found I have taken any one, that is article C. So just find for article B or article D, E, and in the solution on the test I have given a separate table chart after finding all the article value. I have given in the solution itself on the test series, I have given the answer for the complete articles, right? So when understood or not, how I solved it? I think after finding a table chart value, solving all the 5 questions in the DA will always be most easy. Why? Because this alone might take time, but solving the question will not take that much of time for it. So first what we did is, initially by using the table chart, right? So I can just, because you need to keep a note of it, because in case in the exams if they ask similar based concept question like marked price, discount percentage, because many students have not learned this formula, I think so, because if you didn't know this discount percentage formula, at least now try to understand it. What is the formula for discount percentage? So first what we did is, in the pie chart we simplified the pie chart and we got a quadratic equation, right? After finding a quadratic equation, we found all the pie chart values. So after finding all the pie chart values, in the note on the chart they have given the difference between two article is 1000. By using that we found all the 5 article cost price, which is 10,000. So if we find the total, finding all the single article cost price is easy. That's what I have written here, right? So article A, B, C, D, E, and cost price of all the articles we found it by using the total cost price value. And then moving on to the table chart. So table chart, what they have given is profit value plus discount value. So if we know the profit value and the discount value, finding the marked price is easy. So marked price, everyone knows it, marked price is equals to cost price of the article plus the remaining stuff. Remaining stuff is nothing but the profit what he earned plus the discount. So if you add all the 3, resultant will be the marked price. So by using the table chart value and by using the pie chart value, we found the marked price. So after finding the marked price, they have given one note that profit percentage is equals to discount percentage. So by using the basic formula on profit and loss, so profit percentage is equals to selling price minus cost price divided by cost price into 100. And discount percentage formula, if you don't know that formula, at least now learn that. So marked price minus of selling price divided by marked price into 100. So we simplify it and finally we got what is the selling price. So now we got the selling price, already we found the cost price and we know the marked price. So all the values we found for an article. So by using the cost price and selling price, we can easily find what is the profit. If we know the profit, we can easily find what is the discount. Why? Because the sum has been given in the table chart, which is 800. So from 800, when you subtract this profit 320, resultant 480 will be the total discount amount. So finally we found all the values for a single article, that is article C. So similarly it's feel lengthy because of finding for the first time. So if you just keep on solving another article, you can easily find all the values, like what is the selling price, what is the profit, and what is the discount value, everything easily. So now based upon all the values what we found for all the articles, so now we have to solve all the 5 questions what they have given in the DA, right? So that I think it is not that much difficult. So let me take any one question, we can solve it. Okay, so what is the questions they have given in? If the seller sells 4 articles A, B, C for each and 3 article D, E for each, then find the total profit amount. So this was the first question. First question what they have given, just see, if the seller sells 4 article for article A, B, C, that means we know the profit because we found for article C what is the profit, which is 320. So into 4, because he is selling 4 article each. So we found the profit earned for one article, which is 320. So now according to the question, if the seller sells 4 articles, that means we have to multiply all the profit by 4. Very simple question and we have to add it, right? And what is the next question they have given us? Find the sum of the difference between profit amount and the discount amount of all the articles together. So just we need to find the difference. Here we have found 320. And here we have 480. This is for article C. So we have to find what is the difference of the amount. Finding the difference, 160. And then similarly we can find for all the remaining after finding the chart value, and we have to find what is the total sum. That is also easy. Just see, just now I have told you, right, solving all the 5 questions will always be easy. So the sum of selling price of article A and D together is what percentage of sum of cost price of the same article. So it's just what percentage, X is what percentage of Y, and what they are saying is the sum of selling price of article A and D together. So selling price of A and D, we can easily find selling price. So we have to add A and D selling price, what percentage of the cost price of the same article. So I think all the 5 question is really easy, just like that. Within 2 or 3 minutes you can solve all the 5 question what they have asked in the DA. But this alone might take more than 10 minutes initially to figure out all the values, right? So friends, I hope you it's difficult, right? I know it is difficult, but you guys have to learn this much of difficult level if you are preparing for any mains like SBI PO mains, IBBS PO mains, or bank mains, UPSC, CSAT. Sometimes they can ask this area alone, this kind of question, this area alone, right? So if nowadays if you are preparing for any tough level competitive exam, remember that you have to solve very difficult question, no other way, right? So keep on solving more number of DA like this, and do not forget to take the test first. What I initially told in the video, take the test first and then solve it. Only then you can understand where you are making a mistake. And do not forget, if you are first time watching the video in this DA, kindly do not forget to watch the complete playlist what I have given on the DA. So thank you so much for watching this video. So if you really like it, share the video to your friends, those who are preparing for the mains level competitive exams. So thank you so much. Bye.